Let's understand how to select the perfect size of Kolar Mosquito net for your bed. Step 1. Measure the length of your mattress. Step 2. Measure the width of your mattress. Step 3. Choose the size that best matches the dimensions of your bed. If the length of your mattress is 6 feet 6 inches and the width is between 3 feet 9 inches and 4 feet 2 inches, you should choose the single bed size Kolar Mosquito net. If the length of your mattress is 6 feet 6 inches and the width of your mattress is between 5 feet 3 inches and 6 feet 2 inches, you should choose the queen size offered by Kolar Mosquito net. And if the length of your mattress is 6 feet 6 inches and the width of your mattress is between 6 feet 3 inches and 6 feet 10 inches, you should choose the king size Kolar Mosquito net. We hope that you are now able to choose the mosquito net that best fits your needs.